Here is up for sale a very rare 1941 Plymouth PT 125 pickup. This is 100% frame off restoration. It was done in the early 2000s. Minimal miles since full restoration. Beautiful blue paint with black highlights. This is a half-ton, originally retailing at a price of $625. It was advertised as the big, roomy 3-man cab. This Plymouth has a 201.3 cubic inch L-head 6-cylinder, 70 horsepower. It was a meticulous restoration, wood bed kit installed, immaculate interior. This is a manual 3-speed truck. Everything fully functional. Windshield wipers down to throttle choke. Perfect door lines on that. Floorboards also in excellent condition. All gauges fully functional. This is a great restoration. Fires right up every time. Can barely hear it running. It's an amazing rebuild on the engine as well. This will be one of the rarest trucks at the car show. Also good for a daily driver. Drove this truck up and down the last couple of blocks, a few miles, absolutely runs amazing. Gearbox very tight. Great clutch. Functioning windshield wiper. Throttle control on the inside. Functioning parking brake. Foot starter. Headlights are working. Yet again, perfect door lines. Very straight truck here. A very rare full frame off restoration of this Plymouth truck, half ton.